This is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. DJ Powder Coating is partnering with 2 different custom coders to reach new architectural markets through product innovation. In a recent article featured in Tim Pennington's finishingandcoding.com, the company has announced expansion beyond its general industrial coding line to include a sublimation partnership with pro coders. Additionally, owners Denny and Joe Young have just completed applicator certification in a new process technique called Powder Effects that applies an artistic distressed patina look without losing durability and corrosion resistance. The Youngs have been working with Ross Scott, who owns Maui Powderworks. He plans on launching his courses as well as a line of exclusive powders in the next few months. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.